Good afternoon, it's Jeremiah with Mobility 316. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2020 Chrysler Voyager. This is a rear entry, brand new conversion, easy to operate, low cost to maintain. It's all manual. I can operate this entire conversion using just two fingers. I pinch and I flip. It's got a handle on either side. Again, I pinch and I flip, and I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. Check that out. I tell our customers, if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this 34-inch wide ramp with ease. That's 4 inches wider than a side entry. So if you're looking to haul a bigger chair or chairs, the rear entry might be the answer for you. If you're on a side entry and someone pulls up next to you, you cannot get out of your vehicle in the wheelchair. Not the case with the rear entry. The rear entry have more ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, and they're more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. A few of the advantages to the rear entry, but the side entry has some advantages as well. We sell those along with full-size vehicles, so let me know what you're looking for. Let us help you find it if we don't already have it. 800-pound weight capacity. You got about 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van, then about 56 once you're inside the van. The ramp does taper to about 32 inches of clearance here for the where the ramp sets. But 8 tie-down points. So you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. And it's got the jump seats in the middle. That 27 inches of room between those. If you got a wider chair and you want to get it up to the front, or haul 2 chairs at a time, this gives you the option to do so. You got your upgraded Q-string tie-downs in there. We throw those in at no charge to you. A lot of our competitors are making you buy the tie-down separate, or giving you junky tie-downs and making you upgrade. Be sure you're comparing apples to apples when you're comparing us. Cup holders in the back for your passengers in the rear. Headliner's in great shape. Got your rear air controls over there. And it's got the nice center console for all your drinks and everything. Got your plug-ins for your electronics. Dual climate control, rear air. Got your backup camera there. Dash is in great shape, no cracks or holes in the dash. Got your steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road there. And you've got all your tie-down and warranty information right there as well. So when you get everybody secure, come back out, simply reverse the process. Very easy to do. Just one finger, check it out. Lift it up. And our conversion comes with a 3-year unlimited mile warranty on the conversion. Now, our competition is going to tell you they have a better conversion than we do, and that's fine. That's what they get paid to say. What do you expect them to say? But ask them what their warranty is. A lot of them are 1 year, 12,000 miles. Some of them are 3 year, 36,000 miles. If that's their warranty and ours is 3 years unlimited miles, you tell me who has the better built conversion. I've got tinted windows in the rear. The front tires are dang near brand new Firestones. They're about 11/32, so I mean literally like brand new. The rear about 9/32, so pretty close to new. So I've got nice new shape Firestones on the vehicle. As I do the walk around here, you can see there's no major dents or scratches. I'm looking for even the slightest blemishes in the paint. I'm not going to sit here and tell you this van's perfect, but it's sure not far from it. It's very well taken care of. That's one advantage when you buy from us. I'm the owner. I'm out buying from your perspective. A lot of these dealers out there, they have a buyer. The buyer simply gets paid on how many vehicles they buy. So they don't care if they get a good quality vehicle. They just want to fill that quota so they can get a paycheck. But for me, I'm the owner. I'm buying from the same perspective, like I said, that you are. I care about every single one of these vehicles, put my name on them. I don't want headaches. I want good, clean vehicles. And no matter who you buy from, make sure you get a video of the VIN number. Why I say that? There's a lot of scammers out there, and what they're doing, taking pictures off the internet from my website. They're cutting the Mobility 316 off there. They're posting my pictures of my vans, trying to sell them to you and say, $20,000 for this van, $1,000 down payment. What they're trying to get you to do is send them $1,000 over the internet. When you send them that money, you'll never hear from them again. So if it's too good to be true, yeah, you know how that saying goes. So if you were to say to them, hey, give me a video right there, that VIN number right there. There it is. And I want you to say your name on Facebook. My name's Jeremiah Coleman. This is my van. It's here with me right now. So if you were to ask them to do that, they couldn't, because they don't even have the van. They're probably not even in this country, just over here trying to scam people. So make sure you're aware of that, and don't get scammed. Okay, what we do with that VIN number, we run a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before we buy it. You can see this is a one owner. It does show minor damage. It says very minor damage. I'm going to show that to you. It's got 4 service records on it. Commercial vehicle. I like the commercial vehicles. It means they've been adult driven. They haven't had kids and pets in them. I like kids and pets just as much as the next person, but I also know they can take a toll on a vehicle. So being adult driven, probably hadn't had very many passengers in it. So as we scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a one owner with a clean title. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never been deployed, odometer's accurate, and no open recalls. Carfax also shows the vehicle went into service September 26th of 2020. So it meets the specs to be under the full factory powertrain warranty from Chrysler until September 26, 2025, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. Now, as we scroll down, you can see the vehicle did show in November of 2020, so 3.5 years ago. On back driver's side was in a minor damage. Minor damage is usually dents, including cosmetic, including dents or scratches to the vehicle body. So I'm not afraid to buy a vehicle that's had a bumper painted. And by the way, when we convert these, we take the whole back end off, cut it all out, so it's all brand new anyways. So definitely no structural issues there. And no matter who you do business with, find them online. Check out their reputation and reviews. Look at us on eBay. 1,520 transactions. Been doing this since November 2004, folks. It's almost 20 years I've been doing this. 100% feedback. That's all 1,520 people gave us positive feedback. I'd say that's a good reputation. And no matter who you do business with, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. I cannot emphasize this enough. Make sure you're not getting scammed. Check out our 4.8 out of 5-star reviews. You know, I hear people all the time. They talk to me about they bought a vehicle from a private individual, you know, someone they knew nothing about. Sometimes those vehicles end up stolen. Yes, people are selling stolen vehicles. They get the money from you. Once the police catch up to that vehicle purchase, the buyer has to give the vehicle back. You do not get your money back, or they end up buying from one of these dealers, you know, that don't have this 4.8. They got a 1 or a 2 or 3-star rating here. So, you know, if you want to buy vehicles that might have flood damage you weren't told about, salvage titles you weren't told about, might be stolen, might have major mechanical issues, go ahead and deal with those private individuals and those dealers that get 1 and 2 and 3-star ratings. You know, it takes 30 seconds to find someone online and look up their ratings, so make sure you do that. But if you do want 5-star vans with 5-star service from a company that's been doing this for over a dozen years, I look forward to working with you. Okay, back to the van, and we've got the 2 keys here, 2 fobs. Got the keyless entry as we enter the van. This nice gray cloth interior up on the front seats, very clean. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors in this van. The second row of seats are these vinyl jump seats here. So if you do get a spill or mess on here, it's easy to clean up. Just giving you a little different perspective of the rear of the van for those of you that may have never seen inside one of these before. One thing I like about this van, it's got the push button start. So if the keys are in your pocket or your purse, all you do is put your foot on the brake there, push the push button start, you're ready to roll. You don't have to fish them out. And you can see all the dummy lights work. They all go out. 51,764 miles on the van. Got our backup camera here, our dual climate control, our rear air. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We tested all the power mirrors, windows, locks, heat, air. I'm going to show you these mirrors moving too. Heat, air, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Now check the tires, taking them on a road test. Replace fluids as necessary. My point is, and I hope you can tell this by our videos, we're very thorough in everything we do. I don't just run these through the car wash and then put them on the lot. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. Underneath the hood, we have a 3.6 V6 engine. It idles smoothly. No signs of any damage. No signs of any leaks, and I can hardly even hear it running. It sounds great. As I crawl underneath the van, you'll see much of the same. Very clean. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any oil or fluid leaks. No signs of any rust, you know, from being up north. And no signs of any water damage from being in a flood. And that's the #1 mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it's 2020 or fairly new, they assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or say a flood. Folks, I got news for you. New car dealerships, they're not immune to floods. There are new cars, brand new cars right off the lot that get flooded. So do not assume that. And what I want you to do is go check out my competition. I don't care if it's a private individual. I don't care if it's another dealer, but I want you to ask yourself, do they show me the reputation online so I know I'm dealing with someone honest and reputable? Do they show me a Carfax report so I know I'm getting a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, no flood damage? Do they get on their hands and knees on the ground and even bother taking detailed pictures much less a nice clean video. So you can see there's no bent metal under here from an accident. There's no signs of any water damage from a flood. So when it comes to not only price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you the exact vehicle you're going to get, please compare me to the competition. And what ends up happening if you end up buying a vehicle, you know, you're dealing with somebody shady, you can't get a title for it. Well, you spot a van, you can't register. If you can't register, you can't drive it. What happens if you end up buying a van that's got frame damage from an accident, you know, or a flood? They didn't bother sending you pictures here or video like I do. Well, you've got a vehicle that may not pass inspection in your state. If it won't pass inspection, again, you just bought a vehicle you can't even drive. So no matter who you buy from, do 4 things. 1, demand a detailed video like this. Not some lazy 30-second walk around. Tell them to get out there and put their heart and soul into it like I do every single one of my videos. 2nd, demand a Carfax report. I know Carfax are expensive. I spend a lot of money, thousands of dollars a month on Carfax reports, but I meant it when I said I'm buying from your perspective. I want the best of the best. You should demand that for you as well. 3rd, get online, find out who you're buying from, check out their reputation and their reviews. It takes a couple minutes to do that. Don't be a lazy buyer. Lazy buyers get scammed, all right? And then finally, demand a warranty. This van meets the specs to be under the powertrain warranty from Chrysler, and then it also has the conversion warranty as well, best in the industry. So do not risk buying as is, demand that warranty, and we make sure every single one of our vehicles comes with a warranty. So let's get her out for a test drive so you can hear her run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, so you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Voyager home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. As you'll see, the steering wheel is nice and straight with no unusual vibration or noise. If I get a little runway here, I'll pop it up to 70 miles an hour. Show you that it runs and drives real nice down the highway. Another nice feature this van has, it's got the blind spot monitors, that little triangle in the, see that turns yellow, turns orange, whatever color you want to call it. That warns me someone's in my blind spot. So those blind spot monitors are a great feature to have. I got the cruise control set. Cruise works good. Runs and drives dang like a brand new van down the highway. So let me pop it up to 70 miles an hour for you there. There we go. 75, blink of an eye. Runs and drives very nice. Do keep in mind, we do have our spec for the factory powertrain warranty left as well on the van. But we do sell extended warranties, bumper to bumper type, factory type warranties that go anywhere from 90 days all the way up to 8 years and everywhere in between. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long term. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online. What they have hidden in the fine print, $500 administrative fee, they've got document fees, they've got tag fees, they've got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up all the hidden fees, by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online jumps $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about those hidden fees and shipping before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they got a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but what I can speak for, that in any business, especially the used car business, transparency is key. That's why exactly why I'm out here making this video today, in attempts to be 100% transparent. As you noticed coming down the ramp there, I gave the van a nice hard brake. There was no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, exactly what we're looking for. You can also hear that radio works just fine there. And by the way, if you'd like to give us a phone call or text 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That is a direct line to reach out, call, or text me and get a hold of me. And I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number to call or text. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system, end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get a live person as that super aggressive, pushy, used car salesman. who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So, if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that super aggressive, annoying used car salesman, give me a call, give me a text. I'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you absolutely zero pressure sales. I'm going to sell this Voyager whether you buy it or not. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, pick up the phone, give us a call. We're more than happy to take an application over the phone. And yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Call me, I can explain how that works. And if you made it to the end of our video, thanks for hanging in there. I do appreciate it. I know it's a long video, but there's a lot to show you, and it's a major purchase. I'm trying to be detailed as possible. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory in person, please make sure you make that appointment with us. I know your time is valuable. I don't want to miss you, and I'm kind of a one-man show right now. I'm busy every second of the day. Please make sure you call or text to make that appointment to come in. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures, and no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the country, check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us or text us today.